Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate subscription management and billing for SaaS companies via WhatsApp. For example, you are running any software company and you got many queries from your users regarding the subscription management, information related to the billing, etc. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate subscription management and billing for SaaS via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. Let's say I am sending one template message to my user for their renewal or upgradation of their plan. So here I am sending a message by going in my inbox setting. So here I am sending one template message to my user by clicking on this, and I already created one template by the name of SaaS company, so I am selecting it. Here I am sending this template to my user. See, the template message is sent successfully. Now we will check in the WhatsApp. See, hello, would you like to manage your subscription, including two quick buttons, that is renew subscription or upgrade plan. Let's say I want to renew my subscription, so I am clicking on it. Then you can see replies to me like this, that choose your subscription plan, also providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, see, it will provide me the subscription plan, that is basic plan, pro plan and enterprise plan, including their price also. Let's say I select as basic plan. Then you can see the bot will ask me to provide my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as test user. Here I sent. Then you can see the bot will ask me to provide a billing address. So I am sharing one test billing address. Here I sent. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that your basic plan subscription is renewed. Complete your payment here. Here you can see the bot will replies to me by adding the subscription plan that I have selected from the list, that is basic plan. Also providing me one button, that is pay now. So as soon as when you click on this pay now button, then your renewal subscription can be done. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will automate subscription management and billing for SaaS via WhatsApp, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate your WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of users. Now I'll give you one quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubt here, and the people who are facing the problem just like you will help you, or even the Pabbly team members. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. As if you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp numbers in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it, in where we can explain about both these options, that how you can add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here on in this folder section, you can create multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, such as inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want a detailed video of explaining these features, then I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of users, in where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating our WhatsApp chatbot, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate subscription management and billing for SaaS via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your WhatsApp chatbot, at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event, that is keyword/regex, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field update, contacts birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assign. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of template. So here I am selecting the template. I selected template here because template is used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. It triggers the flow when a user replies via quick reply button or a send template. Now I am choosing the template by clicking on it. Here I already created one template by the name of SaaS company, so I am selecting it. Here you can see my template is selected, including the information, that is hello, would you like to manage your subscription, including two quick buttons, that is renew subscription and upgrade plan. Now I'll teach you how you can create this template. For that, you have to go in this template option by clicking on this template list. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp template for your different type of users. It organizes easy access and scale communication with predefined messages. As we are creating a new template, so I am clicking on this add template button. So this is the starting point of creation of template, in where at first you have to select the template category, that I am selecting as marketing. After that, you have to provide the name to your template, but make sure that name should only be in the lower case and don't use any special characters. So here I am providing a template name. After that, you have to select the language, that I am selecting as English. It will provide you multiple languages to select. Here I selected. After that, you have to select the template type. It will provide you multiple types of template type, that is text, image, video, documents, etc. Then the next one is the header. It is an optional. You can write it if you want to. I am not writing it. I'm directly writing the format of the template. Here I write that is, hello, would you like to manage your subscription? You can see I write this an asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to my user in the bold format like this. After that, the next one is the footer. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Then the interactive actions, where you have to select any of these, that is none, call to actions, quick replies or all. So here I want to provide 2 quick replies. For that I am clicking on this quick replies button. See, it will provide me one box where I am going to write my first button as renew subscription. After that I am adding one more. Now our template is created. Here you can see the preview of the template that were delivered to your users. After that you have to click on this button, submit button. As soon as you click on the submit option, then your template will be approved within 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will get back to our flow. So here I selected the template that we have recently created. After that, whenever my user will click on this, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. Header is an optional and I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. I am directly writing the body. Here I write that is choose your subscription plan. Now in the footer is also an optional, so I am not writing it. After that I want to add some subscription plans. For that I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as our plans. Now I want to add some plans. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write my first plan as basic plan. After that, in this enter description box I am going to write the price of this plan. Here I write, then I am going to add 2 more plans. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button 2 times. The process of adding plans would be the same. Here I added, that is pro plan and enterprise plan. After that I am connecting both of these circle to this message, because whenever my user will select any of these quick buttons, then at first my bot will ask them to select the plan. Then after that I want to set the custom field for each of the plan, because for storing the user provided response. For that I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field, where I am going to select the contact custom field as subscription plan. I already created this contact custom field before. Now I'll show you where you can create this contact custom field. For that you have to go in the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So this is the page where you can create a contact custom field. It is a user specific parameter used for managing contact details such as name, email, country, etc. When you scroll down, it will provide you one option, that is add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one box where you have to write the name of your field as well as the description. Here I already created one contact custom field by the name of subscription plan, so I am not creating more. After that we will get back to our flow. So here I have selected the contact custom field. After that, in this enter value box I am going to write the same, that is basic plan, for specifically this, so that I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now for both of these also I am creating the separate custom field. For that I am again taking one set custom field button 2 times, drag this boxes here. After that I am selecting the contact custom field as subscription plan, and in this enter value box I am going to write the same, that is pro plan, because we have to create an individual contact custom field for each of the plan. It helps bot to provide customized reply to their users by mentioning their selected plans. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Now for this also I am doing the same, selecting the subscription plan as contact custom field, and in this enter value box I am going to write the same as enterprise plan. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select any of these plan, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my message as What's your full name for the subscription renewal? For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as full name. Then the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can also increase this if you want to. And I'm not writing any validation message here, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I'm connecting all these 3 circles to this message, because at first our bot will ask our user to provide their full name. Now, after the user will share their full name, then my bot will ask them to provide the billing address. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this box here and writing a message as please provide your billing address. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as billing address. The format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now, after this step, I am going to set one tag. For that, I am taking one add tag button. Add tag button is used to label or categorize a contact or conversation so it can be easily identified. For example, we can select the tag here as subscription renewal. This allows you to segment users such as trigger, follow-up, helping you renewal efficiently and maintain customer retention. If you want to add a new tag, then you have to click on this create tag button where you have to provide the name of your tag, and after that, if you want to allow auto tagging, then you can enable this toggle. Then you have to click on this add tag button so that your tag will be added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here I have already created this tag, so I selected. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now at last, whenever this process should done, then my bot will tell my user to do the payment. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my respond message. Here I write that is your with dollar symbol subscription plan. You can see I use this dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my users by their selected plans that they were selected here. Here you can see we have created the contact custom field by the name of subscription plan. So for making the plan dynamic and capturing different selected type of plans, for giving customized and dynamic message that will include the subscription plan selected by the user, this dollar symbol is used. That subscription is renewed. Complete your payment here. Now I am providing one button also by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box. Here I am writing the button as pay now. After this step, you can provide the payment link to your user by clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, and in this enter message box you have to share your payment link so that it will deliver to your user. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate subscription management and billing for SaaS via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your users and provide them all the necessary information you want to share with them regarding the subscription plan and renewal subscription without you doing anything. And the best part is this automated WhatsApp chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.